So is AMP token dead, completely destroyed because the price is at 4 cents, approaching 3 cents, coming from 5 and 6 cents before? Hello, everybody. Welcome. My name is Oscar Ramos. Welcome, Empire and AMP token investors. Definitely, we haven't had a good time in 2022 yet. Probably you're wondering, is AMP token a good investment for the future? Should I buy more, sell right now, or continue holding? Well, by the end of this video, I'm going to give you facts, news, and analysis on this cryptocurrency that I know quite well. So sit down, relax, as always, for entertainment purposes, not financial advice. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. Let's go ahead and get started with AMP token, guys. Of course, the prices right now, what's happening with AMP token is not only AMP, but the entire cryptocurrency market. From $3 trillion that we were, 1.98 right now, less than 2. Of course, it's going to have ripple effects in the entire cryptocurrency industry. But looking at AMP token, look at this, almost 3 cents. Definitely not that good, everybody. When it comes to the fear, how's the fear right now? Are you fearful? Are you planning to sell, panic sell, and leave? Well, that is exactly when oftentimes I refer here in the channel. Is this a cryptocurrency that is going to resist a crypto apocalypse? Meaning that when we have rough times right now, is it going to continue holding? Are people going to be still on board because it's a good project? Well, let's continue analyzing this. When it comes to the price, guys, take a look at this. Massive sell-off starting yesterday. Look at this. We don't have some green candlesticks here showing up, but here is the all-time view and where I want to start my take on AMP token. This is the low, but we have previous lows. This is a low of approaching 3 cents, 8 cents, and we have an even worse low right here before the pump of the Coinbase effect at 2 cents, everybody. So leaving this picture frame right here for you to analyze, what's happening with AMP token definitely is not what we would expect, personally speaking, for by the end of 2021. I wanted a price that is much higher, knowing what they have to offer. So what is AMP token? What does that mean to be an AMP token holder? Well, you guys are bouncing that Flexa network is going to continue expanding the adoptions with different merchants, allowing Flexa to be added to Regal Cinemas, to have partnership with JK Software, to have Banco Agrícola in El Salvador, and many other different partnerships that they're working on with Chainlink too. Allows an easy transition of power from fiat money to cryptocurrencies. With your phone, you're going to be using Flexa network, paying with cryptocurrencies, and those transactions, guess what? They're going to be collateralized with AMP token. It's super secure, fast, fraud proof, and much more. That is the key value proposition for the cryptocurrency token, AMP token. So that being said, is there a future for AMP? Well, definitely the price right now that I have to say for this 2021 is, as you're seeing on the screen right now, heavily manipulated. There's not a clear growth when it comes to AMP token. If you zoom out, there is. For example, I believe, yes, I have it right here. If I continue zooming out, this is how AMP token started in 2021. Much higher we are right now. The price started on 0.007 at the end of 2020. But right now in 2022, we're still much higher. However, not as high than it was before in 2021. So one of the things that I gotta tell you is that I wasn't expecting such volatility and so many sell-offs in AMP token. I wonder, well, if we are already passing 10 cents, I'm sure that by the end of the next 6 months, I'm talking right now in May, right about here, June, we have to be coming close back to that 12 cents. But you live and you learn, and I'm pretty happy that, well, even though we're not even close to the 10 cents right now, if you believe in AMP token for the future, for growth, I think this is going to be a good project in my opinion. So to go back to the question, is AMP token done, dead, completely destroyed, everybody? My answer to you will be an absolutely no. I do believe that AMP token will continue putting good numbers when it comes to the partnerships, the integrations, and adding more tokens, because we know what happened at the end of 2021 with the 25 days of Flexa. I was one of the ones here in the channel mentioning what's going on. I'm talking in the month of October, in the month of November, where Flex Network on Twitter put nothing, and all other communities like Shiba Inu were coming in and just being very engaged. So what happened? In that month of December, they had 25 days of Flexa putting and delivering amazing content, utility for the entire Flexa network project. So I'm of the idea that we still haven't seen that value projected in the price. When we have a different run, going back to the price right now, definitely I'm expecting a much higher run, but we have to be humble and we have to be honest in my case to tell you I'm not sure when the next all-time high will be broken, but I am sure that we're gonna be coming up pretty quite soon in the upcoming months because of this. In this time, I'm going to be using all the indicators that I have to my disposal. So take a look at this. Right now in the error side, we're approaching the bottom. We're approaching the oversold, which is fantastic. This is where you're looking. The last time I'm talking, I'm going to go ahead and expand it for us. The last time was September 23rd, and we had an amazing overbought reaction, but you have to keep holding. Right now, we're coming back. We're coming and approaching the oversold position on the error side with I'm token. Of course, it is easier said than done. I understand it is difficult for some I'm token holders to really resist this bloody bat, these bloody days. Once again, oversold on the stochastic error side. What does that mean? It means that people are selling, and once we come back, definitely we're gonna see some pumps. One of the things that I'm gonna focus here and tell you right now, I'm talking what I've learned in 2021 is that yes, you can go to Flexa capacity, stake it. You can go to Gemini earn and earn some interest when I'm talking. But I believe the people who are getting the most out of I'm talking, everybody, are the people who are trading it, because I'm talking is super volatile, as I just showed you, comes up and it immediately sells off, cannot hold. Over and over and over, I've seen this. It's insane. And where I think it's going to hold and get a new higher average, it doesn't do it, and it breaks support and continues coming down as we're seeing right now. So those are the things and the facts that are just happening right now when I'm talking. If you are an upcoming I'm talking investor, think about that. I have some positions on I'm token. Those are more for the future, for long term. But I'm wondering, should I move those long-term positions to trading positions so I can flip? That wouldn't be a bad idea. Still haven't made that decision yet. I'll let you know, but I'm giving you the facts that are happening when I'm talking. When it comes to the project perspective, few cryptocurrencies can compare to what Flexa Network is doing. When it comes to the price perspective, I'm talking really needs to catch up. But as we know in the empire, it's okay, whatever. I think the project for long term is going to be fantastic. There's people who are holding millions of AM token, and they believe if one day will reach $1 or coming close to $1. If we go ahead and do the math when it comes to XRP on the tokens, on the coins, definitely there's coins that have 100 billion in max supply that pass $1. So those are my beliefs for long-term success. However, I do think that I'm talking, if you want to make money quick with AMP, definitely trading will be the best option. But get ready for the next cycle, because right now cryptocurrencies are down. But crypto, if there's one thing that we've learned over this decade, is that whenever you least expect, it's going to climb up, and you better be riding the train, because if not, you're going to be left behind. Thank you so very much for watching. Is AMP token dead, destroyed, done? My answer to you is no. The cryptocurrency is crashing, it's down, it's falling. It's fine. It is what it is. It's crypto. Let's go diamond hands, everybody. Take a look at my comments and early description down below, guys. If you want to join my Patreon page, join my Discord right there. Thank you, guys. Oscar out. I'll catch you later. Peace.